AI has taken the online world by storm and has become an indispensable tool for saving your time and money. I'm going to show you 4 ways you can take advantage of this rapidly growing industry and start making more money online. Now, the first method that I'm going to be talking to you about is starting an AI YouTube channel. Now, the views on these types of videos have been blowing up and people really want to understand what AI can do for them. And to prove this, I'm going to show you some channels that provide quality information on AI and have blown up subsequently because of this. So the first one we're going to have a look at is the AI Advantage. And you can see that he only started creating videos on AI around 2 months ago, and he's already nearly at 50,000 subscribers. And the amount of views on a lot of his videos are really high, so he's getting a lot of engagement as he's providing so much useful information on ChatGPT, Midjourney, and so many other AI tools. I think he does a fantastic job of breaking down complex areas of AI, and he also provides prompts for beginners to get started. The next channel we're going to take a look at is Success with AI, and you can see that he only started creating videos about 1 month ago, and he's already at 23,000 subscribers, and a lot of his content is based on ChatGPT and the many ways that you can use it. I really enjoy the simplicity of his videos and how easy he makes it for everyone to understand, and you can see that people are feeling the same way just by the amount of views that he's getting on a lot of his videos. And the final channel we're just going to quickly take a look at is Easy Ease. And this channel is more related to Midjourney, so you can see it's got videos on showing you how to create children's books and logos and also consistent characters with Midjourney. That's something that I've struggled with, and many people also do when using Midjourney, so there's a reason why these videos are so popular. So definitely go check out these channels and learn from them. This is why I disagree with anybody that says YouTube or any other platform is saturated, as they've shown what's possible within a month or two. As they've created their own unique style, they've been able to break down complex information and provide value. Even if you already have a YouTube channel, then I would suggest creating unique content about how AI can be useful in your niche. And if you want to start your own YouTube channel, then I'll definitely recommend watching this video. Now, stickers are hugely popular across a range of print-on-demand sites such as Etsy, Redbubble, Spreadshirt, Zazzle, and many others. And just make sure you create your designs around what people are actually looking for. But to create your designs, we can use AI tools such as Midjourney. And to get started with Midjourney, you do need to create an account with Discord first. I've already done a video walking you through all of these steps, so if you need that, then you can definitely check out that on my channel, but I'm going to run through this quite quickly. Now, once you've set up your account, you've got quite a few options to the far left, and Discord can be a little bit confusing, but there's quite a few options on the side, such as getting started and rules. So I suggest you take a look through that. Then in order to start creating your designs, you can go to one of the newbie rooms. However, it can get a bit messy and disorganized in here, as a lot of people are creating their designs, but you are able to create 25 free designs, and you can see how many people are in that at the moment. But once you get serious, I would definitely recommend you going onto one of the paid plans. You get a lot more options, and you also get access to your own bot. Once you've chosen your plan and then you've got access to your own bot, then you can start creating designs, and you can just take a look at a few stickers that I've already created just to get an idea of the process and everything that is involved. So in order to start creating your own designs, you're just going to need to go to the bottom and type in /imagine. And this will start allowing you to create your own prompt to type it in, and the creativity can start from here. And you can take a look at some of the prompts that I've typed in order to get these designs. Midjourney will always provide you with 4 images. So top left is number 1, top right number 2, bottom left number 3, and bottom right number 4. And then you've got the option to upscale, and that just creates the image in a high resolution, and then variations, and that will provide you with another 4 images based on the number that you select. You can see V1 is highlighted in green because I like the design and I wanted more variations of that. And you can also see a few of the other of the designs that I've gone for variations for, and I've also upscaled number 1 as I've liked that design quite a lot. Then after this, you can see the 4-hour variation just come up with, and I've upscaled number 4, and you can see the upscale design here. And you can also see a few of the other designs I've chosen to upscale. So just be a bit creative with your prompts. I've just given you a few examples of basic prompts that you can use. And once you're happy with your design, you just click web, and yep. Then this is going to allow us to save our image as a PNG and make a few modifications to it. So to start modifying our design, we need to go to Photopea, which is free to use, then upload our design. And what we're going to want to do is get kind of rid of this grayish background and then a white outline around it. And the quickest way I found to do this is go to the select option, and then we need to go to the magic cut, and that will automatically get rid of the gray background and the white outline around the image. And usually it gets it perfect right away, but if it doesn't, you can just use the green highlight and go over the areas that you do want included. Once you're happy with everything, you can just click OK in the right hand top corner, and then to save your design, you just need to go to export as and save your design as a PNG. Then go to the website that you've chosen to sell your designs. In this instance, we're going to use Redbubble because I already have an account with them. Then you just need to upload new work to upload your design, and once that's uploaded, just make sure you put in a title, find the relevant tags, and make sure that you create a quality description. If your sole focus is to create a sticker shop, which in this instance it is in this video, then just make sure that you disable all the other designs. We're just going to go into edit and then click on the settings, and then you can set up the price that you want for your product and just click apply changes, and just make sure that you disable any other product that you don't want in your shop, and just go take a look through everything. Then scroll to the bottom and make sure you click no, that it's not mature content, and then just make sure that you tick knowing that you've got all the rights to sell the product, and save work, and now you're ready to start earning. So just continue to repeat the process and make sure you keep creating quality designs. Now, the third option we're going to talk about are prompts. And as you've seen with Midjourney, the more descriptive that you can be with your prompt, then the better image that it's going to generate. And if you feel that you've mastered a particular or unique style, then you can actually sell your prompts on a website such as PromptBase. So you can see here it's got DALL-E, it's got GPT-3, Midjourney, and Stable Diffusion. It's a prompt marketplace where you can sell your prompt. So if you just take a look through here, we can see a few prompts that are selling well and have been featured. So you can see you've got animal illustration, you've got collage artworks, you've got vintage retro gadgets, and they're all selling at an affordable price for people. So anyone who is struggling to create their own designs, they can just simply get this prompt and start designing right away. So if you do feel you're quite knowledgeable at creating prompts, then I'll definitely consider this. And you can see if you go to the sell option, that if your prompt is approved, that you'll keep 80% of the revenue from every sale of your prompt, which is great, and you can get selling in just 2 minutes. And another marketplace that you might want to consider is Etsy to sell your prompts. As you can see, there is a lot of interest in these right now, so this is just another place that you might want to think about. Now, the fourth option that I'm going to talk about is actually selling books through Amazon KDP, and this is what my channel is all about. So you can definitely check out all of my videos, and the use of AI tools has actually kind of leveled the playing field and allowed everyone to be able to create more quality designs. So if you ever thought about creating your own book, I'm going to link one of my playlists in the comments and also at the end of this video, and that's going to show you through how to create your own prompted journal. It's going to show you how to create a word search book. You're also going to find out how to create short stories, and finally coloring books through the use of AI tools. I will be adding a lot more to that playlist, so make sure that you are subscribed so that you can keep up to date, and you can check out that AI playlist now.